Testing Starbucks Christmas drinks. Thumbnail. Literally none. And then these are little tongs. These are Abby's skate
These are
bobs.
beautiful. Like, it's so spicy.
Genuine first reaction.
Pink drink. 10 out of 10.
This is the Irish cream cold brew. Not that different from all the cream cold brews that they came out with. Still good. So
This is the gingerbread frappe. Genuine. That's wow. It's very gingerbready. Like it's so not hot, but like
flavored. There's a lot of
cinnamon.
not bad.
like if you
I like gingerbread a lot. See, like I'm a fan.
okay, eggnog. You can try this one.
This is the egg and nog.
Maybe give her a mix.
No flavor. It's just creamy. Like there's no like eggnog. I'm not getting any eggnog at all.
This gingerbread frappe.
Nada.
It's good though.
Yeah, it's a fucking slab.
It just tastes like a less caffeinated coffee frappe.
Conspiracy. No, for real.
Treats too. And with the sticks. 10 out of 10. There's chocolate in milk.
Whoa, it's filled with fudge. Peppermint brownie. I like the peppermint in it. I like the peppermint they chose. Candy canes, actual candy canes. I'm not a fan of like cake though.
Me neither that much. That way chocolate? No, it's the stick.
Oh my god. It's like good, but like I'm such like a picky cake person with chocolate. Thumbnail. And that was our Starbucks mukbang. Not so tea.